children, welcome to our Hero Kids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. So children, let's start our today's activity. And today we are going to learn numbers from 121 to 130. So children, let us look the numbers. 1 to 1, 121. 1 to 2, 122. 1 to 3, 123. 1 to 4, 124. 1 to 5, 125. 1 to 6, 126. 1 to 7, 127. 1 to 8, 128. 1 to 9, 129. 130, 130. So children, all these numbers are 3-digit number. And children, now you have to tell me, I will show you one number and you have to tell me how many ones, how many tens and how many hundreds are there in that number. So our number is 1, 2, 2. So children, in number 1 to 2, how many ones, how many tens and how many hundreds are there? So 2 ones, 2 tens and 100 are there in number 122. So children, 100, 2 tens and 2 ones is your number 122. And now we will look our next number, and our next number we will take 1 to 6. So children, in number 1 to 6, how many ones, how many tens and how many hundreds are there? There are 6 ones, 2 tens and 100. So 100, 2 tens and 6 ones is number 126. And our next number is 130. So children, in number 130, there are 0 ones, 3 tens and 100. So children, 100, 3 tens and 0 ones is your number 130. So children, like this you have to practice the numbers from 121 to 130. And now children, we will start our next activity. And in our next activity, we are going to learn about mountains. So children, what is a mountain? Have you ever seen a mountain? How it looks? And children, so I am showing you the picture of mountain. So children, what is a mountain? Mountain is the highest landform on the surface of the earth. Mountain is the highest landform. So if you want to make structure of mountain, you have to do it like this with your hands. So children, mountain is the highest landform on the surface of earth. And children, it is usually found to be conical. So children, look, this is the mountain. Look, this is the highest. Okay, this is the highest landform on the mountains are the high points on the surface of earth. So children, where we are living, there are no mountains. So in our town, is there any mountain? No, there is no mountain. So as compared to our surroundings, mountain are the high points on the surface of the earth. And children, do you know a series of mountain is called a mountain range? So children, what is a mountain range? A series of mountain is called a mountain range. Look here children, there are so many mountains. So these are the series of mountain, and a series of mountain is called mountain range. So mountain range is the series of mountain. And children, mountain could be steep and snow covered, or they could be gently sloping, having rounded tops. So children, some mountains could be steep, or some mountains are covered with snow. So children, we will look the picture of the mountain that are covered with snow. So look, these are the snow-clad mountains. These are the mountains that are covered with snow. So children, mountain can be steep and mountains are covered with snow. Some mountains are covered with snow. And children, do you know the highest mountain range in the world is Himalayas? So children, the highest mountain range in the world is Himalaya. You have to learn it. The highest mountain range in the world is Himalayas. And children, some mountains are found under the sea also. Under the sea there are also some mountains, and children, they could be taller than the Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain peak in the world. So children, what is the highest mountain peak in the world? That is your Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Okay children, and there are many mountains that remain covered with snow throughout the year. So children, there are many mountains that are covered with snow throughout the year, and these mountains are very cold because they are covered with snow. So these mountains are very cold, and hence there is not much food or life found on these mountains. And children, animals that have a thick fur coat can survive the extreme cold in high mountain regions. So children, that animals are the yak. So children, now we will look the animal yak. So children, look, it has a very thick coating, okay, very thick coat of fur. So the yak can survive on cold mountains. So you can find on mountain the animal yak, and you will find mountain puma. So children, you can also find mountain puma, the snow leopard. So children, now we will look the snow leopard. Look, this is the animal snow leopard, and you will find snow leopard in the mountain that are covered with snow, and they have a very thick coating of fur. So children, now we will move towards our next point. So children, houses in the mountain having sloping roof. So children, in mountains the houses that are made have sloping roof. So children, the mountains, the houses that are made on the mountain have sloping roof to enable the snow slide off easily. The houses are made of wood so that they remain warm. So children, let us look the houses that are made on the mountain. So look, they have a sloping roof, and all over the trees and plants are covered with snow. And look, these mountains are also covered with snow. So the snow roofing house is made because that the snow will slip down easily. So children, even besides the harsh condition, mountains are very useful to us as they act as shield for the country, blocking the cold winds and also protect us from neighboring enemies. So children, the mountains, besides of this harsh condition, mountains have very cold climate, but besides of this thing, mountains are very useful for us. They also act as shield and they protect us from the enemies, our neighbor enemies. So children, some of the trees provide us with commercial benefit like paper, wood to make furniture, homes and medicinal value. So children, you will find some trees in the mountain that have medicinal values and they are used to make paper, they are used to make the furnitures. And children, melting snow. So we have look, there is snow. Okay children. So children, we have rivers and have you ever think from where the water come in the rivers? So melting snow from the snow-capped mountains. So look, these are the mountains covered with snow. So children, when this snow melt, the river fills with water. So children, the snow-capped mountain, when the snow melts from the snow-capped mountain, fill the rivers and they are a source of water. So children, today we have looked about mountains, and mountains are the highest landform on the surface of earth. And children, the animals that you will find in mountain, in the high mountain or the mountains that are covered with snow, the animals are yak, the mountain puma and snow leopard. So children, now we will revise the highest range. The highest mountain range in the world is Himalaya. And children, the highest mountain peak in the world is your Mount Everest. So children, you have to learn these things. And now children,